Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to evaluate what we have here. So what is this? The square root of 49 minus 12 root 5. How am I going to evaluate this? First of all, I am going to set this to, watch this, 49 minus 12 root 5. I'll set all of this to root A minus root B. So this will help me getting A and B, and then I will get the final result. Let's continue. How do you remove this square root from here? To remove the square root, I'm going to square both sides. So let's square this and then square this as well. This square will cancel the square root. What we have left is what? 49 minus 12 root 5 is equal to this multiplied by itself. That's root A minus root B in bracket root A minus root B. From one of the algebraic identities, if you have A minus B all squared, this is equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. That's exactly what I will do here. So 49 minus 12 root 5 will be equal to root A times root A. See, if you use this one, that will be root A all squared minus 2AB. That's 2 times root A times root B. And then plus what? Root B squared. So root B squared. Okay. Square cancels the square root. Same here. And what you have left is what? 49 minus 12 root 5 is equal to A minus 2. See, root A times root B can be rewritten to what? Root AB. And plus what? B is here. So let's rearrange this to be of this form. 49 minus 12 root 5 is equal to A plus B, then minus 2 root AB. Now, by comparison, A plus B will be equal to 49, and then minus 2 root AB will be equal to minus 12 root 5. So I will simply say that A plus B is equal to 49, and then what? Minus 2 root AB is equal to minus 12 root 5. Now, moving on, A plus B is equal to 49 here. What about this? See, I can divide both sides by negative 2. So if you divide this by negative 2 and this by negative 2, this cancels this. You have root AB is equal to what? Minus 2 cancels this. You have 6 root 5. All right. Now we have this equation here and this one. So let's move on to the next side of the board and continue from here. Now, let me just quickly resolve this one first. If you square both sides to get rid of the square root, you have AB is equal to the square of this. Yes. So we have that AB is equal to 6 squared is 36. Then times root 5 raised to the power 2 is 5. Now, what is 36 times 5? 5 times 6 is 30. Write 0, carry 3. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18. So you have that AB is equal to 180. What about this one? Don't forget, we still have that A plus B is equal to 49. Now we have two simple equations which we can solve simultaneously. Let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. So from equation 1, we can say let B will be equal to what? Divide both sides by A. B will be equal to 180 over A. Now move this and plug it into equation 2. So I will have A plus B is now what? 180 over A is equal to 49. If I want to get rid of this A from here, what do? I will multiply through by A. So if you do that, you have A squared plus 180 over A times A. I'll just have to write it there, 49 times A. So A squared, A cancels A. You have plus 180 is equal to 49A. Let's move this over to the left-hand side. You are going to have A squared minus 49A is equal to 180. This is 9. All right. Now we have, this is plus 180 is equal to 0. I want us to factorize it. Think of two factors. When you multiply, you get 180. When you add these two factors, you get negative 49. What could that be? I think minus 45 and minus 4 would work. What is minus 45 plus minus 4? That's minus 49. And if you multiply this, you get what? 180. So open two brackets and then plug in the factors into there. So you have a minus 45 and then a minus 4, all is equal to 0. So here, using the zero product rule, a minus 45 is equal to 0, or a minus 4 is equal to 0. Let me take this off. So if you move minus 45 over, you have that a is equal to 45. Now what about this here? A is equal to, or what? A is equal to 4. But we need to get what b is. So let's use this equation to get b. B is equal to 180 over a. So from b is equal to 180 over a, when a is 45, when a is 45, let's get b. B is equal to 180 over 45. What's 180 over 45? That's 4. So b is 4. And then when a is 4, what is b? B is equal to 180 over, remember a is 4. If you divide this, what are you going to get? You're going to get 45. So we have that a comma b is equal to what? When a is 45, b is 4. And when a is what? 4, b is 45. So it can be used interchangeably. Now let's come to this one. And remember, we set this to what? We set this to root a minus root b. So it's time to bring everything out together. Let me take this off and finalize it here. So root 49 minus 12 root 5 is equal to root. You can use any of this one, 45, 4 or 445. Same thing. So let's use 45 here, then minus what? 4. Because when a is 45, b is 4. If we simplify this, we're going to have what? 45 can be expressed as 9 times 5. So minus, what's root 4? That's 2. So that's 49 minus 12 root 5 in the square root. This can be rewritten as what? Root 9 times root 5, then minus 2. All right? And what is root 9? Isn't that 3? So we have 3 root 5 minus 2. So therefore, 49 minus 12 root 5 with the square root, we evaluate to what? 3 root 5 minus 2. If you found this helpful, like, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. It's bye for now.